powered by 220 or 110 volts.
Hello, today we will be giving a demonstration of the SmartPro Aura Diamond Scanner.
Switch on the scanner. Power indicator, door indicator, UV light indicator. Loose diamond mode, opening the scanner chamber door and loading test samples into the chamber. Keep stones separated from each other to have a better and more accurate test result. Tab on scanner button. Select loose diamond mode. Select separated stones mode. Scanner is processing in 10 to 15 seconds. Tab on fluorescent result image and zoom in test result to view each separated type of diamond in different colored borders. Natural diamond in yellow color border, CVD synthetic diamond in blue color border, HPHT synthetic diamond in red color border, and undefined in white color border. Undefined stones refer to the lab for further tests. In daylight image view, see location number of each type of synthetic diamond to remove them from natural diamonds. Tab on Save Result button. Tab on Certificate button. Fill stone details. Then tab OK button. Tab to save certificate. Then tab on Certificate button to view certificate. Tab to Share button for Share certificate by email. Then tab on OK button to send email. Tab on Printer button. Then select the page size you want to print. Mounted jewelry mode. Select jewelry mode. You can place multiple items of jewelry in the testing tray. Scanner will automatically result for lab-grown diamonds with red color marking. Other than red marking stones, natural diamond, CVD synthetic, and CZ compare with fluorescence colors. Reference images. Mounted Jewelry 360 mode. Built-in 360 rotation view for bangles and bracelets. Select 360 degrees mode. Rotate clock or anti-clock to select the view you want to scan. 360 view rotation automatically processing. Scanner is processing in 40 to 50 seconds. Settings menu. Tab on Settings button. Bluetooth connection. Make sure always keep on. Wi-Fi connection. On for email, print certificate results, and software updates. Check for software updates. Lamp's lifetime to view total user lifetime. Storage space. User manual. Click for an overview of the user manual and demo videos. Customer support for email service. Team Viewer, support for online after-sale service.